Fish 5, and today I'm going to be showing you my Beyblade that I just made like about 5 minutes ago. So here it is. I call it Legasus Tornado because it has like El Drago's bottom and his middle like thing, the golden thing, and he has this guy's tornado. I made him into a defense attack. And he has Pegasus's top and whatever this thingy is. So this is how you make them. Like, use this and then his top, and then El Drago's like metal piece, and then this guy's spinner. Spinner. Well, not spinner, his like tornado, and his bottom. Well, Pegasus, El Drago's bottom.